The FewNvWa Tumbler Heat Press Machine offers a convenient and intelligent DIY experience, allowing users to easily customize settings for different cup types with its smart memory modes. Safety is a priority with the FewNvWa mug press, featuring an automatic power-off function and the ability to interrupt heating instantly to prevent accidents. This versatile machine accommodates a wide range of containers, from mugs to water bottles, with its broad heating area and compatibility with 10 to 30-ounce capacities. Withstanding high temperatures up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit, the FewNvWa Tumbler Press is built with top-tier heat-resistant materials, ensuring durability and reliability. The FewNvWa Cup Heat Press is perfect for creating personalized gifts, making it ideal for special occasions and holidays, with its ability to craft cherished keepsakes. This machine is more than just a heat press. It is a creative partner designed for quality and innovation, ready to help crafters unleash their artistic potential.